Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Versys 1000. This bike just arrived with only 12,500 miles. It's in great condition. It's got the adjustable windscreen, the GV mono key system on the bags. These are all removable hard case locking luggage. Great condition, brand new chain. Come on by and make your 1000cc inline 4-cylinder adventure sport dreams come true for just $49.99. This is a great deal on this bike. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Beautiful condition. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.